My kitty eating grass. Yes. Good job, Mama. We are here outside again, guys. Here's Tinker. And we have Drake and Dad right there. There's my little boy and my giant. How cute they are. There's my boys. We have neighbors crying. Here's my little kitty. Here's my girl. It's okay, Mama. It's Mom. Good job. Good job, my little girl. She's good in walking. There is Drake. Drake's still crawling. Drake is crawling like a baby. Oop, it's 6 o'clock. There's a church close here in our place, in our house. It's nice to hear that every morning and Sunday, every 6 o'clock p.m. And on Sundays, you can hear those bells. So relaxing. My baby girl loves to walk. That's my baby girl. That's my Ting Ting. There you go, guys. Here is Ting Ting. Not on the neighbor's yard, Mama. Stay here in our yard. Stay here in our yard. You know better. She's trying to hide on the on the grass. She has her tricks now. Before, she is scared of the car that's coming. She will run. But now she will just hide on the grass as if you can't see her. Silly Mama. We're having a nice weather again today, guys. And yes, hubby and I keep on trying to bring the kitties out every time that we can, if we have a good weather. It's a little chilly, but it's not that bad. I only wear thin jacket today, but yeah. It's very nice out here. Ting Ting is running again. Look at that sun. How cool is that? Isn't that cool? Easy, Mama, easy. It's okay, Mama. It's fine. Look at Drake. Hi, Baba.
He's getting cold, that's why.
Hi, my Baba. No, he's not.
Yeah, he is. He's doing the whole hunching because it's cold.
Look at that handsome guy. See? Are you ready?
You ready to go?
He's ready to go in. Come on, Mama. Let's go in.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Oh, Ting Ting is not ready yet. Drake is ready to go in.
Yeah, he's cold.
Come on. Shh. Not ready yet? Okay. We'll stay here a little bit. Drake is ready to go in. He's getting cold. But Ting Ting is still want to stay. My little girl. Drake is inside now, Mama. Now she's ready to go in. That's all for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. Until the next video. Have a good day and a good night. God bless everyone. Give Tinker and Drake a thumbs up. Share, comment, and subscribe on this channel, Tinker Wonderland. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now. God bless everyone.